Money is my father. Money is my mother. Money is my life. Money is my happiness. I am not saying this. Situation are saying this. I can see nowadays people are so busy in earning money. They have not 1 minute time for their parent. The parent who have been rearing them for the year and year, they cannot share their time with them. So why are you earning money? You should not earn money. Your parent, they are your God. So God does not love money. He loves to their children. So just like this, our parent, they are not hungry for the money. They are hungry for your love that you had given. But nowadays, you have changed yourself because money has come in your life. And guys, money, uh, money take money takes all the thing, your happiness, your disciplines, all the thing. I can give you one static example. Earlier we used to do relationship with people with judging their disciplines manner, how they are, how their behavior is. But nowadays we do relationship with people we by judging money. Yes, before doing relationship to anyone, we judge them. Yes, we don't judge their good qualities that they have, such as like honesty. Yes, honesty is the best policy, but we don't. And we are not doing this type of thing because money has come in our life and money has changed our life totally. I am not saying that you should not earn money. Earning money is also important because we are human beings. So we have plethora desire, right? Along with this, you should share your time with your family member, your parent, because your parent, your parent, they all have been thinking, they all have been envisioning for a long period of time when I can spend gala time with my son, with my daughter, when I can get chance to do dinner with him, with her. But you are not understanding them. You are not understanding their situation. You are not understanding their emotion. Because money has changed you totally. You cannot sympathy the situation of your parent, situation of the people. Yes, guys. So please, I'm doing humble request to you. Spend your time with your family member. Guys, I have told you already that I use one application. The name of that application is Joss Skill. Okay, so one day I was talking with one guy. So he was quite old. So he was doing government job. So suddenly we went on this point money and all the things. So I told him that that nowadays people are becoming so selfish, arrogant. They are not sharing their time with their family member. They don't want to spend their time with their family members. So he was doing this mistake. So he told me, thank you to realize my problem, and now I am going to share my time with my family member. And he cut off the call. So I am not saying that you should not earn money. Earning money is very, very crucial because nowadays, see, day by day, the price of all material is increasing. All material are becoming expensive, and all people want to live a comfortable life. So for that, earning is very important. But along with this, you should focus on this point, and you should never forget this discipline, manners, and all the thing, because These are the two things that will make you honor in the society, in the community, at the front of people. See, she earns money, but she has discipline as well. She knows how to talk, but I have listened this. Like she earns money, but she does not know how to value it. She does not know how to talk to people. She is arrogant. She is selfish. So we have to not become like that, right? We have to become good person and as well as independent person as well. So this was all about today, guys, and hope you all have understand this. We will meet again so soon with new another video. Have a nice day.